Hi, my name is Michaela Brady, and this is my introduction video. I am a senior here at UNK. I am originally from Malcolm, Nebraska, which is a tiny village northwest of Lincoln, the capital. My family still lives there. I will be graduating in May with a double major in exercise science and psychobiology, and I am also pre-medicine with hopes to attend the University of Nebraska Medical Center in the fall. A couple of things about me: my hobbies include basketball, exercise, being outdoors, reading, traveling, and baking. When I'm not in school, I live with my fiance. His name is Austin. This is him. We are getting married this May, and we're actually moving to Omaha in the next couple of weeks here with our 3 cats. This is Bob, this is Buffy, and this one on the right is BB. And then this right here is our dog. His name is Benjamin. He's quite naughty, but as you can tell by his cute face, he tends to get away with a lot just because of his looks. So now we're going to define social media marketing. Social media marketing is the use of social media to promote a company or product to consumers with the end goal of influencing consumers to take action. Have you been influenced by social media marketing? As much as we'd like to say no, it's likely that all of us have probably been influenced by social media marketing at some point in our lives. Why is social media marketing so important for companies to take advantage of? Well, for starters, social media marketing is relatively cheap. There are costs involved when it comes to resources and training and potentially hiring an outside company to help you build your platforms. However, companies are taking advantage of something that already exists and that people are already using, making it relatively cheap. In addition to the low cost, social media marketing also has such a broad consumer reach. Utilizing the internet allows companies to promote their products to people of all ages, in all locations, and from all walks of life. In addition, companies are able to take advantage of the fact that people are naturally social, and they're already utilizing these platforms. So why not use social media marketing as another avenue to promote your product, your company, your service? Finally, social media marketing is extremely important because it allows for increased consumer involvement and interaction. There is a saying that people tend to support what they helped create. By involving the consumer in the processes of the company and interacting with the consumer through social media marketing, the consumer is way more likely to interact with your company and to recommend your product or your service because they feel recognized and they feel important. And they feel as if they played a part in the company in some way. So due to its relative ease and the opportunity to take advantage of something that already exists and reach a lot more people, social media marketing is extremely important.